Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Samsung's latest flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. There's a lot of buzz around this new model, and for good reason. Samsung has made some intriguing design choices this time around, and we can't wait to share them with you. So let's get started. Design changes. First up, let's talk about the design changes. Samsung has opted for rounder edges on the S25 Ultra compared to its predecessors. But don't worry, they haven't gone overboard with it. The edges are just rounded enough to give it a fresh look without losing that iconic Galaxy Note vibe. You'll also notice that the corners are slightly more rounded, which makes the phone feel more comfortable in hand while still maintaining its signature boxy aesthetic. One of the most noticeable changes is the thinner and more even bezels. The S25 Ultra has a slimmer frame compared to the S24 Ultra, giving it a sleek and modern appearance. Interestingly, the design resembles the Galaxy Note 20 more than the Note 7, which many people were speculating about. This blend of old and new design elements makes the S25 Ultra stand out in the best way possible. Display. Moving on to the display, Samsung has increased the screen size to a hopping 6.9 inches. This puts it on par with the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro Max, which is also expected to feature a 6.9-inch display. But what really sets the S25 Ultra apart is its incredibly slim bezels. In fact, it's expected to have the slimmest bezels ever seen on a smartphone, even thinner than those on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This means you'll get more screen real estate and an even more immersive viewing experience. New features. Now let's dive into some of the exciting new features of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. One of the standout additions is the GPU interpolation technology. This AI-powered upscaling feature is designed to enhance your gaming experience by sharpening the graphics and adding more details. Imagine playing your favorite games with visuals that are clearer and more detailed than ever before. This technology steps in to improve the graphics, making them look as if they were designed to be that way from the start. For instance, if you're a fan of games like Genshin Impact, you'll be thrilled to know that the S25 Ultra can potentially run these games at 1080 resolution and 120 frames per second. This is a significant leap from the 60 frames per second you get on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Not only will your games look smoother, but they'll also feel smoother, providing a more immersive and enjoyable gaming experience. Performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. This new chip, combined with the AI upscaling technology, could bring PC and console-level games to your smartphone. We've seen similar advancements with the iPhone 15 Pro, which can run big titles like Resident Evil 4 Remake and Assassin's Creed. Mirage. With the S25 Ultra, you can expect a similar level of performance, making it a powerhouse for mobile gaming. But here's some good news for those of you who might not be ready to upgrade just yet. The AI upscaling feature might not be exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to reliable sources, this feature could also be available for older devices with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 through a software update. So if you have a Galaxy S24 or another device with this chip, you might still get to enjoy this cool new feature without needing to buy a new phone. Information. It's important to note that the render we're discussing comes from Ice Universe, a well-known and reliable source for Samsung leaks. Ice Universe has a track record of providing accurate information well before official announcements. For example, they accurately rendered the S24 Ultra long before its official reveal. So while these details are based on leaks, they are highly credible. To wrap things up, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device with a blend of new design elements and advanced features. From its sleek design and larger display to its powerful performance and innovative AI technology, there's a lot to be excited about. We can't wait to see how it performs in real-world use. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay informed about all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching.